Microcontrollers themselves are unable to drive a DC motor. Since the current they output is not enough to drive a DC motor. Typically, microcontroller pins give 20 to 40 milliamperes of currents. DC motor needs about 100 to 200 milliamperes of current to rotate. So we require an external source with microcontroller to drive a DC motor. There are lots of ways to control a DC motor with an Arduino. But one of the easiest and most popular is with L293D motor driver IC. One of its main advantage is that it can control the speed and direction of two DC motors independently. In this tutorial, we will see how to drive a small DC motor with Arduino UNO and L293D motor driver IC. This is the pin diagram of L293D motor driver IC. VCC and ground pins are connected to the positive and negative terminals of power supply. Enable 1, 2, input 1 and input 2 are used to control the motor's direction. These pins can be connected to any microcontroller or Arduino. Output pins are connected to the motor. When enable 1, 2 pin will get a high signal, then it enables the output of one side. On the other side of the IC, enable 3, 4, input 3 and input 4 are used to control the second motor. This table is showing the working of control pins. When we give a high signal to enable 1, 2 pin, high signal to input 1, and low signal to input 2, then motor rotates clockwise, and when we give low signal at input 1 and high signal at input 2, then motor rotates anti-clockwise. When enable pin is low, then motor stops rotating. Here is the connection diagram of this project. This is a 3-pin SPDT sliding switch. First pin of the switch is connected with the positive supply voltage. Second pin is connected with the pin number 7 of Arduino, and third pin is connected with the ground terminal of Arduino. We have connected pin number 2 of motor driver IC with pin number 11 of Arduino, pin number 7 of motor driver IC with pin number 10 of Arduino. Pin 1, 8, and 16 are connected with 5-volt supply pin, and pin number 4 and 5 are connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Supply terminals of DC motor are connected with pin number 3 and 6 of motor driver IC. This is the code of our project. Button state is an integer type variable. It will store the status of the input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, we will connect the control pins of motor driver IC at pin number 10 and 11 of Arduino. So, we will make pin number 10 and 11 an output pin. We will connect the switch at pin number 7. So, we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Button state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable button state. If button state value is low, then Arduino rotates the motor clockwise. If button state value is high, then Arduino rotates the motor counterclockwise. Now write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. Then save the program. Now check the code for any error by pressing this check button. If code is correct, then upload it to the Arduino hardware board. For this, connect the Arduino board with laptop or computer using a USB cable. Now go to the Tools menu and select Arduino UNO. Go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Then press this arrow button to transfer the code to the Arduino hardware. Our code is now transferred to the Arduino successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. First of all, we will take a sliding switch. We will connect a yellow wire at its middle pin, red wire at its left pin and black wire at the right pin. Now we will take a DC motor and connect a red and black wire to its supply terminals. Now we will take a motor driver IC module, and connect a red wire at its 5-volt pin, and black wire at its ground pin. We will connect a green and blue wire at its input pins. Now we will connect the DC motor, with this driver module. Now we will connect the red and black wire of driver module, with the 5-volt and ground pin of Arduino. We will connect the blue and green wire, with pin number 10 and 11 of Arduino. Connect the red wire of the switch, with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project, and test its functionality. When we push the switch right, then motor rotates clockwise. When we push the switch left, then motor rotates counterclockwise. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.lltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.